So Dhruva, he's understanding that I was approaching the Lord for some fruitive result. Like a businessman, I was going and saying, and I was thinking that I will worship the Lord. When I get it, then I will ask Him for a great kingdom, for so much power. Instead, I'm feeling such transcendental ecstasy. I'm feeling such wonderful love to see His lotus feet that I realize I am so foolish to desire anything but simply to serve Him. What can be greater than that? Why am I clinging on to the broken glass of these material objects, which are only temporary in nature, which are going to be destroyed at any moment? At any moment, Krishna can take them away from me. I have got no stability. Simply by His mercy, I'm holding on. In spite of that, I'm only thinking how to increase my material entanglement, how to increase my material liabilities, rather than accept Krishna's mercy and fully fix my mind in His service. Of course, this is very advanced. Not everyone can immediately obtain this perfection. Therefore, it's recommended that if one cannot fully fix his mind in Krishna's devotion, if he is so unfortunate, then at least he should give the fruits of his activity. He should use his time, use some of his energy, use some of his wealth to further the service of the Lord and prepare himself for full dedication. So Dhruva Maharaj, he was already beyond all those stages. He was completely, fully dedicated. There was no doubt. He had that desire. So, therefore, he made this wonderful prayer, which was deriding the pleasure of the senses. That we are so foolish, we ask for the pleasure of the senses.